Hello, Caddy Girl Garage. So there's my tow guy. He is off and running. We just pulled some more cash from the bank and we bought a very interesting hearse today. It's actually not a Cadillac. So I'll be back with you guys later to show you what it is. Thanks for joining the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. I know it's dark outside, but this is a continuation of the video earlier. I was at the bank and then I sent Matt to go get the car. It was reasonably close here in SoCal, so that was nice. But it is a very rare Pontiac hearse. I know it's not a Cadillac, but it's very different and very rare. And it will be available for sale, so if it interests anybody, I'll put my contact information right here. But anyway, it's about to get here in a second, so I'm going to film the process. Thanks for joining the video. Alright, so here's a first look. It's kind of a wicked looking little beast. It is a very rare 1960 Pontiac Superior hearse. Complete, original motor and tranny is in it, I believe, and I'm hoping and praying that that back glass right there is good. I believe it is. Got some of the flat pieces of glass that are busted, but that's easy because it's flat glass. Alright, so we'll get some more videos of this beast in the daylight, considering that it was dropped right now. Kind of ran out of the sun, but just, you know, kind of going on things initially. So far, I mean, super clean body. Yes, it needs some floor pans, but I mean, the roof is beautiful. The doors open and shut beautifully. Original motor trans, I believe I already said that. Very different looking, just a very different odd piece. And that right there, that line looks like a crack. It's not, it's just a line of dirt, because where this thing was, it was kind of half under a tree. You can kind of see all the junk right there, but it's going to clean up pretty good. And like I said, Superior coach maker, but it is a very rare Pontiac Superior. Obviously flat glass here, completely toast. This one's good. And then the biggest deal of all, these three back windows. Very rare, actually the same as Cadillac, if you can believe that. And they are good, they are not cracked. These are so extremely rare. But anyway, just trying to get you guys some shot in the dark here with his flashlight, but we will be back tomorrow. Also has rear AC. We were looking, there's a condenser in the back and then that little scoop right there. So just a very kind of unique looking car. It would make an awesome station wagon if somebody wanted to convert it. But anyway, we'll be back tomorrow with more videos. And in case you missed the video earlier, this 58 is now sold and it will be on its way to Poland. I have never sold a car to anybody in Poland before, so this is a first, but he loves it and he's going to restore it. So the 58 is gone. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Have a blessed evening. Thank you for watching. All right, so just pop the hood, show you guys real quick. There's the coach tag right there. And then also there should be one in the front here somewhere. We'll find it tomorrow in the daylight. Like I said, kind of ran out of light tonight, but it's there. Don't know if we're gonna do a will it run video or not. We'll have to see. Probably not. It looks like it might, you know, be a little fried. What do you think?
Anything's possible.
I don't know. Anything's possible. Yeah. Who knows? I've seen worse. So if we have the time, maybe we'll get around to it. We were going to do one on the 58 here, will it run video, but it sold too fast. So I'm not even worried about it. There's the battery tray over here. Very different from Cadillac. Oh yeah, that's not there. Anyway, all right, so I'll fill you guys in on more details tomorrow when we have light, but it's an interesting looking car. I love it. So, all right, thanks for watching.